In the race for the Republican presidential nomination, it is now just 15 days until the Iowa caucuses. Today, frontrunner Newt Gingrich, trying to appeal to some conservative voters, attacked federal judges that he accuses of legislating from the bench. Dean Reynolds is in Davenport tonight.
With a Gallup poll suggesting his momentum is stalling and he's now in a virtual tie with rival Mitt Romney, Newt Gingrich is fighting back by stressing his conservative credentials and talking up an issue dear to the hearts of social conservatives: the idea that elitist judges are undermining the country's values.
Our judges above the law. Our judges in a position where they dictate to the president and they dictate to the Congress.
In a question and answer session in Davenport, Gingrich said some judges have an exaggerated view of their own importance.
The court has said, we are supreme. We're the last word. That's baloney.
He cited examples of past presidents, Franklin Roosevelt and Abraham Lincoln among them, ignoring court rulings in the interest of the nation, and suggested it might happen again under a Gingrich presidency. The remarks furthered those he made on Face the Nation on Sunday.
We've had rulings that outlawed school prayer. We've had rulings that outlawed the cross. We've had rulings that outlawed the Ten Commandments. We've had a steady secular drive to radicalize this country away from all of its core beliefs.
As a remedy, Gingrich has suggested federal judges be subpoenaed to go before Congress and explain any controversial rulings.
How would you enforce that? Would you send the Capitol Police down to arrest him?
If you had to. Or you'd instruct the Justice Department to send the U.S. Marshal.
But that view would seem to conflict with the Constitution and its separation of powers doctrine that says all three branches of government are equal and not subject to any other branch.
Gingrich's views on this and a number of other subjects have alarmed some Republican Party regulars who worry that what may go over well with the Republican Party base, Scott, may prove a liability in the general election.
Dean, thanks very much.